All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Maxima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, dual exhaust tips, heated seats, navigation system, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, only 25,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. And I just had my tire pressure. There we go. All right, here's your front driver's rim. It is curved up. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. All right, and your tire thread here is, get into that groove on the 432nd. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Does have some curbing. Again, I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire thread is on the 432nd. Here's your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. It also has the, a little extension here for your legs, which is pretty cool. Normally Mercedes and stuff like that have that. Push start system. Does come with one key fob combo. One key fob combo. And owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your navigation system. You got your backup camera. Boom, you can see my dogs chilling. All right. What else we got? We got your heated seats right here. Your sports mode. Your sports mode. Your normal mode. You got this commands, I guess, would mess around with this. Let's see. Yeah, straight up it does. Wow. Huh. Cool. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 25,176. Does need some gas. I'll put some on. But that's about it. Completes the tour for inside. Looks fantabulous. Keeping it moving. It's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Keep moving. Rear bumper, got rear bumper sensors and stuff like that. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And your owner's manuals I tucked away down there as well. All right, this quarter looks pretty good. Does seem to have some orange peel. Needs some good wet sanding. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. Very minimum. Actually, this is some dirt. This is some curbing. This is some curbing. And this is some curbing. It's got some curbing. Very minimum, but it is there. On the 432nd, this door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. The other side of it does have rear AC vents back there. Front door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. It is a power seat as well. Front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim, and that one has some curbing. I'll say 10 or more as well. The tire thread is less than 432nds. Got some just some drips here. Looks like a, all right, can it be seen? Yeah, just right there. Got some drips. That's gotta be sanded. All lights are working. Car looks fantabulous, guys. Once again, I love it. I love it. Once again, folks, this is a 2017 Nissan Maxima SV model with 25,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.